the 2 screws on the bottom and proceed to remove the 2 screws on the top on either side. Using a trim panel removal tool, remove the rear trunk panel to access the bolts. Use a T30 Torx to remove the stock bolts holding the wing. Carefully remove the wing. Use a 10mm socket and extension to remove the 3 bolts holding the stock bracket from both sides. Assemble the new wing bracket. It is recommended to make sure the head of the bolt for the adjustable bracket is facing the inside, so after the wing is on, the Allen key has more room to fit. Install the new bracket using the new provided hardware, but do not fully tighten down. Use a T30 Torx and reinstall the wing to the new wing plate. After the wing is fully installed, then tighten down the bracket bolts. And your installation is finished.